Hello traders, welcome to a new video on my Bitcoin Today channel. My name is Raducu, I'm a crypto trader, and if you are passionate like me about Bitcoin and crypto trading, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Bitcoin Today. And now I will analyze the evolution of the price on Bitcoin for today. This is yesterday charts, the chart 1 hour, 16 minutes. In which I said that I'm waiting for this support to break. My analysis was good. It happened today, and I still expect the price to go down to 27,000, 25,000. We will see tomorrow. Thanks, guys. This is my analysis for on Bitcoin for today. For a moment, obviously. And if you are like my video and you want to receive my analysis, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Bitcoin Today. I will be very happy to join my community and exchange experience, and see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you make a lot of money today. Good luck.